Yep.
Alright, please tell us what to show.
Okay, here's Clay's house. Okay, other side.
No.
Yes.
Alright, we're ready.
It's like 45 degrees.
Here's my jet day for you. Alright, now. Okay, now.
Let me see some turns
I'm barefoot.
of any kind. Hey, you still be able to do turns?
I'm not good at barefoot. I can see myself in the mirror.
That's great. Blum 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 blum. I'm gonna watch your feet. Hey, let me see the sweat days.
Why are you wearing it? Okay, there. Right, so next week I'll probably be on the gym. I mean, next year.
Next week. I improved that fast.
The fairy came. Henry's theory was proven.
Do PKs.
So tired. Peek it. Pick one.
We're just gonna get your feet so we can see if your feet get better. Ready?
Reach for this.
It zoomed in. Wow. Giant monster. Oh, foot.
Giant. Hello. It's Mr. Foot. You have to go to Sunday school.
Okay, now you take it and video me.
Okay. Is it on?
It's still on, yeah.
Okay.
And on iVideo on my Mac, I can like make like a montage of how we do.
Alice Brooks. Okay, ready? Move your foot. It's gonna burn pretty bad.
Come on. And you can zoom too. Using the zoom.
Okay.
Oh, very nice.
Anna, you're being such a show off.
What are you doing?
Donovan, I really don't want all that stuff in my car. You need to finish that.
Zoom in.
It's
Are you done with it?
Oh, zoom in. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay.
That was fair. What did you say?
PKs.
Why'd you say that for? We don't say that for. No, we don't say that for.
Brilliant.
What else do you do?
Do Tombe Potterberry pirouette. Tombe Potterberry with Anakaji take one.
I cannot do this. It's too slippery. That was a fail. Let's do little jumps.
Fail.
Like Sean Brown kind of stuff, ready?
I was next.
And then my feet are beautiful. Check that out. Okay.
That was take a million.
Get your mouth off of my camera. But I
want some lipstick.
Is it still on?
Yes. Of course it is. And I want some lipstick.
No, I don't.
Oh my gosh, as you're walking back, I was zooming in. It looked really weird. Walk forward as I zoom out. That looks so weird.
Hey there.
Now walk back as I zoom in. That's hilarious. Okay, it's good. Okay.
What's next?
Ooh, feeties.
Stop.
Okay.
Touching my camera.
Okay.
Video something. Don't just like shake it around. Now you're just moving your legs. Pick it up.
I want you to do the Imagine dance for everybody.
Okay. It's a little hard. So now I'm going to cover your eyes as we do. Right.
Wait a second. I'm gonna prop it up.
Imagine
Go. Go. You're stiff as like a twig.
I'm gonna die. Okay. Very emotional, as you can see. Okay. For my heart. Cute grandma.
Well, you're supposed to be turned in for this, brother.
Ow, you are?
Now do you know the jump part, even though you're not in it?
Burn my foot. It's your foot. It's burning on fire. It's on fire.
This is like a very long video.
You're gonna be very entertaining.